You may have noticed that right now there's a massive trend with bootleg tees. And if you watched my last video, I actually spoke about specific niches that explode your profitability. So with that in mind, what I'm going to do is show you how with a trending design, you can really lean into those niches. And if you haven't seen that video, make sure you click here after you watch this one and I will show you exactly what I mean. But right now, I'm going to show you how you can create these bootleg tees, customize them, and really get that emotional buy-in from your community. Let's go. So if you don't know what a bootleg tee is, it's these designs that look like those old school retro wrap covers. So you've got pets, you've got kids wearing them, you've got the wifey tees, you've got the different ones that are really trending like the mama, in my mama era, that kind of thing. So if you pull those ideas into this style of design, you're going to make money as well. But the one that I want to pull on is one that's going to allow you to really blow up those profits. So I think one of those sport teams is perfect for that. So what we need is we're going to go over to Canva. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to use softball as the example here. Now, I've just got these images off Pexels and Pixabay. If you don't understand my accent, I'll put the links in the description below. What we want to do is come in and we want to delete those backgrounds. There we go. I'm going to create another page there. I want to do this individually. Cool. So I've actually set the canvas size in behind the size of the t-shirt as well. So here, edit photo, remove background. Cool. Drag her down. Add the background back in. Drag it down. Cool. Add page. Add page. Add page 3. Cool. So move background. And what we're going to do is add a bit of a glow in behind them too. Good. So we go shadows, glow, white. We'll make sure that comes in a little bit more so it's not so dramatic. This has got to be the last one, surely. Oh, here's one I did with my dog, Chloe. Poor thing, she's gone now. Background remover. All right, cool. So what we're going to do is use Kittl, but I'm going to bring them back in here. The main editing, the main image in here. Get the layout the way I want it. So I'll put this one over here. That walking towards is really cool. Might get the kids offside with one person being bigger than the others in there. You know what? I might flip that one. Command, I'm using the square bracket to push it back. Let's see what it looks like on the other side. Disregard the names on the jerseys. Clearly they're not the same team. I tried. Here we go. Push back. Great. Now we're starting to see that it looks a bit like those bootleg tees over there. So elements, I'm going to go for red lightning. There you go. Put that in behind. That looks really quite effective actually. Flip that one. Push back. Nice. I'll just do it one more time down here. Being mindful that I'm not cutting off any of the sidelines here with the glows. I want to be all encompassing. I want all the images in there. So now I'm going to download that transparent PNG, download, transparent background, download. Okay, now we can head over to Kittl. And in Kittl, this is really cool because it gives us ready-made designs already. So all we need to do in here is find one that we think is going to work with the design that we've just created. Now, I want something that's easy to read. So gangster rapper, maybe that would work. I like it, it's the same colors. Underdog gang, I like this one. Cool, so we're going to delete the dogs in there. We leave it the underdogs, we just need to change the color. then really dark red. Now we just need that glow in behind to be red as well. Change the color of this one. We'll go red again. This is what I love about Kittl, is it gives you the colors and everything is adjustable. It's really quite neat. We'll change this to softball. And change that color back just to be straight red. Okay, so I'm going to change that to red. There we go, East Coast High Underdog Softball. This sample text down here could be great for, putting names in there. I'm not going to do that right now. But what we can do is bring in that image that we've already created. Download, current page, transparent background. Nice. Now, if you'd love my personal guidance and the step-by-step roadmap to creating a $5,000 to $10,000 per month print-on-demand business in as little as 2 hours a day, so you can create that time freedom and financial independence, then make sure you check out PodHacks, my coaching program. You can click it with the first link in the description below. There, watch the quick training, and if you love the sound of it, make sure you book a call with my team and I'll have a chat to you over there. Bring that down. That is looking epic. I love that. Make it centered. We want to send that to back. All right, so now we can download that. I'm just going to change this font up here because it's still got that funny pink in it. I don't want pink in it. I think that's centered. There we go. All right, now I'm going to download that with a transparent background and make sure that's 150 at least. Remove background, optimize quality. I'm going to make that bigger. So width 3000. Now we can upload that to Printify and see what it looks like. There we go, uploading to Printify and watch the magic happen. There we go. What other niches can you do this for? Bowling teams. There's so many other ideas out there open for you to jump in there with this style of design, niching it down. That's how you're going to find those big profits. Now, if you enjoyed that one, you have to see how AI is changing the game with print on demand. Make sure you watch this video next. Good on you.